Do you want to turn your content into income and grow your audience on Facebook? Are you becoming a digital content creator on Facebook using your Android phone? In this video, I will show you step by step how to do it. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Tap on your profile icon in the top menu to open your Facebook profile. Tap the three dots next to the search icon. Scroll down and find Turn on Professional Mode. Tap on it to continue. Then, tap Turn on. After a while, choose your audience and tap Next. Then, tap Continue after the review selection. Select Creator when asked about your profile category. Confirm your choice to activate professional tools. Once enabled, you will get access to insights, follower growth, and content performance tools. You can also manage your profile using the professional dashboard. Now, you can create posts, reels, and videos regularly. Use insights to see what content performs best. That's how you become a digital creator on Facebook using Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more simple tech guides. Thanks for watching!